just had another baby. So she's got a newborn at home, and I'm going to her house to give her some hands-on tips with the Ollie Swaddle, watching for wake windows, and just talking all things postpartum. Here I am with my client's new baby. Look how cute she is. And we're going to show you how to use the Ollie Swaddle. I'm going to place her down on her back, just like this. So we're going to make sure that the Ollie Swaddle is right below her shoulders. We're going to take the Ollie and bring it right over just like this. And then we're going to snug right this way. Baby girl will be nice and snug and swaddled nicely. And we take this little loop down here, loop it in, and she's ready for some sleep. So as you can see, the Ollie Swaddle is adjusted right below her shoulders. You come over here and it's nice and snug right around here. And then as we get down to her hips, it loosens up a bit. So her hips are nice and loose and we don't have to worry about them being constricted at all. So I just got done visiting my sleep client's house and baby, and I had an absolutely wonderful time. We went over how to use the Ollie Swaddle, how to watch for wake windows, and we just talked all things postpartum, and it was a great experience. So I really appreciate her allowing me to come by and use the swaddle and speak with her a bit.